Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best 4K cameras under $1,000 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Although our smartphone have a video recording capabilities, they can't match the quality of performance that a specifically developed camera can provide. Modern 4K resolution cameras are making their mark in the camera market, which is expanding at a rapid pace. There are many various types of 4K camera on the market, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages, as well as price differences. As a result, we have compiled a list of the top 3 best 4K cameras for under $1,000. This list is based on my personal opinion and researches and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Sony Alpha A6300. The Sony Alpha A6300 is a wonderful camera that gives exceptional quality performance thanks to its excellent autofocus mechanism and good viewfinder feature. This camera has a resolution of 24.2 megapixels and a burst shooting option of 11 frames per second, with a slightly slower option of 8 frames per second also available. The Sony Alpha A6300 has a 3-inch tilting display with a resolution of 9.21 million dots. Also included a 0.39-inch electronic viewfinder. The camera measures 2.36 by 4.72 by 1.92 inch and has a battery life of 310 shots in the viewfinder and 350 on the LCD monitor. Pros of Sony Alpha A6300: JPEG quality is good viewfinder, fast and capable autofocus system. Cons of Sony Alpha A6300: display not touch sensitive, no in-camera RAW processing. On number 2, Canon EOS M50. The Canon EOS M50 is a fantastic option for you if you are looking for a mirrorless camera with a good image quality, good autofocus and a simple feature. The camera sensor is a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that can record 4K video. It features a 3-inch touchscreen with 1.4 million dots and a burst shooting rate of 10 frames per second. The Canon EOS M50 has a battery life of 235 shots and weighs 390 grams. Pros of Canon EOS M50: polished touchscreen, excellent EVF, and easy to use. Cons of Canon EOS M50: 4K video has a 1.6x crop, poor battery life. On number 1, Nikon D7500 DX. The Nikon D7500 has a 20.9 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and can record 4K video. It also boasts a 3-inch 9.22 million dots tilt-angle touchscreen. For up to 29 and 59 seconds, this camera can record 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 video at 30, 25 or 24p. This device employs Nikon SnapBridge technology, which automatically sends photographs to your phone through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi anytime you take a photo. The Nikon's D7500 features 8 frames per second, which is 2 frames per second more than the D7200. Pros of Nikon D7500 DX: great sensor, 8 frames per second burst shooting, fast autofocus. Cons of Nikon D7500 DX: 4K video cropped, only one SD card slot. So guys, this was the video about the best 4K cameras under $1,000. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.